Kanina kay kitry ko maglakad. Mga 200 steps. Normal na good. Wala na ko naganga. Thank you, Lord. Balik ulit yung hinga ko. Normal. Back to work na ang mami niyo. I have my medical check-up today before going to my clinic. Thank you so much. Naka-recover na talaga ng konti. Haba na ng hair ko. Di talagang tatanggal itong ano ko. Sunog ng ilong ko. Pati yung remembrance ko sa ano. Ang itsura ko ba, hindi halata dumaan ako ng sakit. Huh? Itsura ko, hindi halata na dumaan ako ng sakit. Almost, more than since September hanggang, this month. Parang, hindi halata sa mukha ko, Ikaw?
Hindi, wala ka ng sakit.
Oo, hindi lang ako makahinga. Wala akong sakit, hindi lang ako makahinga. Ano ba yan? But I regain now my breathing. I tried do the walking yesterday. I walk about 1.5 kilometers. Then I tested it if I can walk that far. So far I pass. Oo. Normal ang aking breathing. So, but I have to go to my doctor, cardiologist today. I have to do my check-up, to the echo, to check my heart, because still my pulse rate is high, but hindi ko na siya maramdaman yung bang hinahabol ko yung hangin ko. So yun. So look at your mom. Ito yung itsura ng taong may sakit, pero hindi siya halata na may sakit. Kasi nga internal, it's not outside. Oo. It's an internal problem. It's the organ itself has a problem, not my face. Okay? So this is your Mommy Doc Luz TV. Just a little update kung anong pinagawa-gawa ko. And by tomorrow, I have to travel. I have to check one of my clinic in Ampayon, Butuan City. O kasi ang dami ng pasyente nag-antay. So, to God be the glory. And thank you so much, Father, for giving me a life extension. So, go. Ano naman tayo ulit? Treat na naman tayo ulit ng may mga sakit. So, ito yung mami nyo. Tingnan yung itsura na may sakit. Sana makatuloy tayo ng Hong Kong na. Excited na masyado mga fans ko sa Hong Kong. Pero sinabi ko na I'm not sure if I can fly. Ang Diyos lang nakaalam. So, bye for now. I am in the middle of heavy traffic. Look at this. masyadong traffic talaga ngayon. Hindi ko alam. Matuloy ba yung rally ng mga iglesia?
Yes.
Today?
It's coming Monday.
Sa Monday, hindi ngayon. So I'm out. So by Monday pala ang main rally ng mga iglesia. Anong rally nila?
Peace rally.
Peace rally. Okay. So guys, dito muna lang ang mami nyo. Ano lang, just a little update kung anong nangyari. I'm still alive. Oo. So, to all my kiddos in entire world, your mom is nasa 80 to 90% recovery, but not really total recovery. But the rate is too high now because I can speak and I can breathe and I can walk far. Oo. Hindi kagaya noon na 3 hakbang lang. Wala na akong hangin. Oo. So, I am gasping my breath. So now, medyo pumayat ako ng konti lang naman. But anyway, so if I have a chance to fly to Hong Kong, if God will permit me to fly, I'll be there. So ang Diyos lang nakaalam. So far matagal pa yun. So hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari. So this is your Mommy Doclos TV. Thank you so much for watching your mom. So I'm on my way to the to my cardiologist to have a check-up. Then after that I have to go to my clinic because one of my patient, a dentist doctor, also have an appointment with me. So guys, this is your Mommy Doclos TV. Thank you so much for all the prayers sa lahat ng aking mga anak sa buong mundo. Nababasa ko yung mga comments nyo, yung mga prayers nyo. Oo, thank you. Hindi ko na lang isa-isahin. Oo. So, God knows who are those people na nagdasal para sa mami nyo. So, this is your Mommy Doclos TV. Bye-bye. I love you all.